How to operate Samsung TV without remote. So first of all, from your Play Store, make sure that you install SmartThings application. Now, once it has been installed on your Samsung device, simply open and launch the app. Now, from here, make sure that you are on the category of devices. Then select on the plus option. Now from here you'll see category of Samsung devices. Select Add. Now from here swipe down below and select TV. From here select on the model name of your Samsung Smart TV. So now over here if you would see the option of Reset, select on that option. So now, after you select on Reset on your mobile device, you would see the option of OK on your TV as well. After that, you would need to verify your device. So, make sure that you check the PIN given on your smart TV. Then simply enter it. Then select on Done. With that, you would be able to connect your mobile phone to your TV. Then all you would have to do is select on Done. Now, on your mobile device, you can increase the volume on your TV or decrease the volume. Similarly, you would be able to see other controls as well. That's how simply you would be able to control your TV from your mobile device. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.